what is a pre-approval and how long does that pre-approval last?
Good question. So generally a pre-approval can last up to 90 days. It's really a rule of thumb of 90 in which you start from the actual date that you pull the credit. Okay, so generally what happens is we'll send out a link, maybe you do it or I do it, and the client will go in and fill out what's called a SMART 1003. 1003 just stands for loan application. It's the Fannie Mae number. And so what that does is SMART 1003 actually helps you fill in the information just based off of some of the previous information that you've had across your credit file, so on and so forth. But it takes about generally 5 to 7 minutes, I would say, Jared.
Okay.
You're doing the same thing you do with a credit card application or maybe a car loan, something to that effect. Name, address, phone numbers, social security, and your work information. In addition to that, once that's filled out, you would actually go to the next screen, which then will allow you to securely, by the way, if you're a W-2 employee, upload the most recent 2 years W-2s, and then you would upload the most recent 30-day pay stubs. If you're paid every 2 weeks, that's 2 pay stubs, right?
Okay.
So not too tough. And then if you are self-employed, you would generally have at least 1 year tax returns, but most of the time we're going to want to see 2. And that's really just to make sure that we're giving you the best pre-approval on a self-employed borrower. That can usually be done as long as it's filled out and completely, and those things are uploaded in about 30 to 45 minutes. It doesn't take me that long to go through and knock that out for most of the clients. Certainly if you're self-employed, sometimes it can be a little bit more complicated, but try to get those done relatively fast.